Lisa has downloaded 14 habit tracking apps in the last 2 years. She starts strong every time. Gym, meditation, reading, journaling. By week 3, every streak is broken and she's back to 0. Day 1, again. When she showed me her notebook from January, she had 10 habits listed, all crossed out by February. 10 habits, 0 survived. That's when I told her the problem isn't discipline. The problem is she's tracking 10 things when her brain can only handle 3. Willpower is a battery, it runs out every day. A good system doesn't need willpower, it needs to be so simple that doing it is easier than skipping it. Here's what I built her. New page, habit tracker, fire icon. And the rule that changed everything for Lisa, 3 habits, that's it, no more. The call out says if you can't do it in under 5 minutes, it's too big, shrink it. Lisa's old habit was exercise 1 hour. Too big. We change it to put on gym shoes, that's it. Once the shoes are on, the rest happens naturally. 1 database, 3 rows, that's the entire system. No categories, no streaks, no points, just 3 habits and whether you did them today. 5 properties, today, a checkbox. Did I do it or not? Streak, how many days in a row? Best streak, my all-time record to beat. Time, when I do this habit, morning, afternoon, or evening. And difficulty, easy, medium, or hard. I told Lisa to start with all 3 on easy. You can always make them harder later. You can't rebuild motivation after quitting. Lisa's first habit, put on gym shoes. Not go to the gym for an hour, just put on the shoes. Today is checked. She's on a 12-day streak and her best ever was 15. The reason this works is that the habit is so small, it feels stupid to skip it. And once the shoes are on, she usually ends up exercising anyway. Second habit, write 1 sentence, not journal, for 30 minutes. 1 sentence about her day. That's it. She's on an 8-day streak. Some nights she writes 1 sentence. Some nights that 1 sentence turns into a full page. But the commitment is always just 1 sentence. The bar is so low she never misses it. Third habit, no phone for the first 10 minutes after waking up. This one is medium difficulty and her streak just broke. It's at 0. Best was 5 days. She checked her phone this morning before even opening her eyes. It happens. The system doesn't punish her for breaking a streak. She just starts again tomorrow. No guilt, no reset of everything else. 1 habit broke, 2 are still going strong. 3 habits, 2 checked, 1 missed. That's a 66% success rate and it feels like a good day. When Lisa had 10 habits, missing 2 felt like failure. With 3, hitting 2 feels like winning. Same effort, completely different psychology. Board view grouped by difficulty. Easy habits on one side, medium on the other. When all 3 are easy and the streaks are long, Lisa upgrades 1 to medium. Put on gym shoes becomes exercise 20 minutes. 1 sentence becomes write 1 paragraph. Gradual progression, never a sudden jump. Weekly check. Every Sunday, 4 questions. How many days did I check all 3? Which habit broke most? Is any habit too hard? If yes, shrink it. Is any habit too easy? Level it up. Lisa's first week, she hit all 3 in only 2 days. By week 6, she was hitting all 3 on 5 days. The system improved because she reviewed it, not because she tried harder. Last section, Hall of Fame. When a habit becomes automatic and Lisa doesn't need to track it anymore, it goes here. Drink 2 liters of water, 30-day streak. Now she does it without thinking. Make bed every morning, 45 days, now automatic. Retired habits make room for new ones. The system always has exactly 3 active habits, never more. 45 days later, Lisa still has 3 habits active. She's retired 2 to the Hall of Fame. Her current streak on gym shoes is 22 days, her longest ever. She told me this is the first system she hasn't abandoned because there's nothing to abandon. It's 3 checkboxes. It takes 10 seconds a day. But last week, Lisa messaged me with a new problem. She said, Adam, my habits are under control, but my schedule isn't. I'm saying yes to everything at work. I have no boundaries and I'm burning out. I need a system for my time, not just my habits. That's what I'm building her next. A weekly time planner that forces her to protect her energy before anyone else takes it. Next video. Free template in the description. Start with 3 habits, not 10. Subscribe to see how I helped Lisa stop burning out. And tell me in the comments, what 3 habits would you track? Thanks for watching. See you next time.